Hi everyone, hope all is well. This is Teresa, aka 50 Plus 2013. Today's video is going to be a video with a before and after. I'm going to just get my bathroom ready for company. It's nothing really wrong with it, but it just needs a little tweaking. So I'm going to show you the before and after. I'm just getting home from church and I'm going to make myself some breakfast. Stay tuned for my finished breakfast and the before and after of the bathroom. Ain't your mama all the way? Hey, ain't your mama in the house? And I had coffee before I went to church and I just topped it off again. So that was all I had before I ran out the door to church. And then I'm just going to finish it off with some bathroom before. We got Chucky or somebody sitting in the corner here. You have this box of shoes, bag of shoes that are waiting to be picked up. A broom, a roller mop, this shelf here that has just mainly bathroom and beauty products on it. Come on this way. You have this wall here, on down to the floor, the shower, on the toilet side. This is the main fiasco here going on. It's all these beauty products, dirty brushes from the work week. Today is Sunday, so I like to wash my brushes on Sunday. I don't know why. And then the sink area for me getting ready earlier and yesterday also. This wall has stuff all up on it. I'm just going to be tweaking it. And then you have this mirror here and the trash can. Because this is going to be the way that I'm coming in when I come back to show you the after. Yeah, I have these. I wanted to tweak and just give my bathroom a little upgrade. So I bought another one of these because the one I have in there that you've seen in the preview video of the bathroom, it's the heavy duty shower. It's a liner, but I just use it as a plain shower curtain so that I don't feel too closed in. And then I got these. I've been seeing these at Walmart from Black Friday. And they're just gray rugs, the really cushiony kind. And they were $4.50 each. So I got two of them, and I think I'm going to replace that pink one that I've been standing on in the bathroom. This is coming into the bathroom, the doorway. And there's walking in. First thing you see is this shelf right here. And on this shelf, I just have a just like daily usage things on it. So I'm going to come on in because the main idea was to incorporate by touching up and refreshing the bathroom. It's been a year since I lived here with these new gray padded carpet and a new shower curtain. Just a thick shower lining, but I like to use it for a shower curtain all in one. And I kind of put the curtain rod up high just to keep it open, because I feel like if I had a print or a solid, it would cut off the bathroom and not feel closed in because there's no window here. So there you have the shower. And on this wall, I just have this little makeshift holder that I put together myself, and it's to hold, I have it where it's holding the Poopery, Lysol spray, some towelettes, and toilet paper. And then just above that is hanging my towel and my shower cap. So on the other side, I wanted some sort of greenery in here, so I already had this vine, plastic fake vine, so I just put it right there. I kind of wanted to go across the top of there, but it was hanging there for so long till I'm just used to it now. Then I have this picture that I got from Hobby Lobby. I have two of them, but I just decided to put one in here. Then my clock from Target. The time's not changed on that. And then on the back of the toilet, we have this slab of ceramic tile right here. That's what it looks like. It's a ceramic tile, and I bought it from the hardware store, and I had one purpose for it, but I got my whole toilet changed out, so the back of the toilet didn't yield me enough room to hold stuff. It didn't even hardly hold that. It's made really weird. So that's why I set that on it. Plus it just gave me more room. So in here, I have this from Marshall's, and it just holds the makeup cotton rounds. This one holds Q-tips and chapstick type of things. And then this one holds panty liners. Sorry, losing focus. And then this is that acrylic that I got from the secondhand store, and it just holds some bath bombs in it and bath salts. And over here is just the same as that. I got that from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, and it's just holding makeup brushes, and those are kabukis in there. And this is just little things I grabbed for. And this little container came from the secondhand store also. And on the back, I have the Victoria's Secret Horrible lotion, hand lotion that I'm trying to use, and some sunblock that I put on my arms and my neck and stuff like that. Then just on the sink, I had this coconut oil in the fridge. I forgot I even had it, so I just remind that I have it. On this side of the room, I have that soap container, and it's still the same soap from since I bought that. And I hauled that from, I think, Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. So I made this little box, just a ledge, because if you look down here, there's a lot of space, and so I didn't want my stuff falling over. So I just got some wrapping paper, and I don't know what else, what kind of box or styrofoam. It's holding it up, but it also made a ledge for me. So on the ledge, I have this. This is just two different plug-in scents. And then I keep the Vaseline up there for my lips in the morning. And I just have a few things on the ledge here just because I got used to them being there. But in these makeup containers right here, here's a candle jar, I guess. And it's full of necessities for the morning too, stuff I use. And then this one here, this plastic container, has 3 sections and it just holds my toothbrush and toothpaste. I think that's that. And then, of course, you have the, what do you call it, the medicine cabinet. And in here, I put some wallpaper in the back of it so that it can just make it look feminine and girly. And then it just has different things in here. I kind of know what's in here and what to reach for, but it doesn't make sense for the most part. And if you want a detail what's in my medicine cabinet and what's in my shower video, let me know and I'd be happy to do that. This wall, I have this little mirror, which is a magnified mirror, and it's nice and big. And this is what when I'm getting dressed and looking at stuff, I peer into that one. My towel rack. On the towel rack, I have the fan because of my hot flashes and stuff. My actual towel that for me or anybody to dry their hands on. This one is for my face. And then I just hook the blow dryers on it. I always hook my hair clips on something. And plus it helps it from falling off when you're drying your hand. And then I have this mirror from the living room that I got from the 99-cent store. So I placed that in here. And then let's see. Right here is just all of that stuff that was on the back of the, all of that stuff that was all in here earlier. I just moved it into this container here. I moved it into this thing here. It's a acrylic type of plastic container thing. If you go up here, I have a mirror up there and on that shelf. And then I have some micellar cleanser and micellar makeup remover. And then on this shelf, I have like the alcohol, rubbing alcohol, peroxide, nail polish remover. And then I have a mask and some Fruit of the Earth aloe vera 100% gel that I mix with this rice powder for a mask. The brush container, some Nair. Let's go this way, because you keep seeing the stuff that I threw in the hallway. Then in this this shelf right here, it has some extra towels, because I hate to leave here when I need a different towel. Some things that I just don't know what to do with. My Clarisonic and some, what do you call it? Some African shea butter that I use. And then I have this little jar with some hairpins in it. And then you go further down to the last shelf, and you have the bottom row is just stuff I don't know what to do with. That row here, this one here is just an old acrylic makeup container that's sentimental, so I won't get rid of it. And it has sheet mask. And then on this side, some more air freshener for the bathroom. So then I have, on the back of this wall, I have just a scrub brush, but I like it because it's pink and also see-through. Sorry about that. Let's get this back right. And then I have also this this toilet bowl brush, and I like it because it's see-through. I haven't used it yet. There's one that I use on a regular that doesn't even have a nice container. And then I have my pink waste paper basket. And then underneath here is the space that I have. And for underneath here in the back, I have, way in the back, I have a tub with just some medicines in it. This is my beauty product empties, these two things. And this is just like extra stuff, like Epsom salt. Extra toilet paper usually is in there. Cotton swabs, whatever there's abundance of. Goes underneath there. A fiber rag and a sponge to clean the bathroom with as well. So the whole purpose of me doing this video is because I wanted to retouch up some things that needed refreshing since I've been here one whole year. And so I done, oh, one last other thing is this calendar, and we're in December now, but this is my Barbie calendar that I got for my birthday last year. And then this is my I have a DIY video on how I made that plate for the light switch. And then that's my bathroom. Like I said, if you want a video with the details of what's in the medicine cabinet and also what's in my shower. This is an old bathroom, so I don't really like the shower. In fact, I hate the tub. So far, some items sitting there, some items up there, and then the caddy with things that I use on a daily. I'm all hot and sweaty, but I'm going to end the video by saying thank you so much for tuning in to the before and after of my bathroom, and you all have a blessed week.